SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Ranchi, providing top-notch building information modeling (BIM) services. With years of experience in the industry, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted and reliable partner for architects, engineers, and construction professionals. The company has a team of highly skilled and experienced BIM experts who work diligently to deliver high-quality BIM solutions to clients in Ranchi and beyond. As a BIM company, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of BIM services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoffs, construction sequencing, and virtual reality walkthroughs. These services help clients streamline their construction projects, improve collaboration among project stakeholders, and reduce costs and errors in the construction process. By leveraging the power of BIM technology, SCON Design ensures that clients' projects are completed on time and within budget. What sets SCON Design apart from other BIM companies in Ranchi is its commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. The company follows a client-centric approach, understanding the unique needs and requirements of each client and tailoring its BIM solutions accordingly. SCON Design believes in building long-term relationships with its clients by delivering exceptional quality and value. In addition to its BIM services, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd also offers training programs and workshops on BIM technology. These programs are designed to enhance the skills and knowledge of professionals in the AEC industry, enabling them to leverage the full potential of BIM in their projects. SCON Design's comprehensive training programs have been highly appreciated by professionals in Ranchi and have helped them stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving construction industry. If you are looking for a reliable BIM company in Ranchi, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the one to choose. With its expertise, commitment to excellence, and customer-centric approach, SCON Design is dedicated to helping clients achieve their construction goals efficiently and effectively. Contact SCON Design today to discuss your BIM requirements and experience the difference of working with a top-notch BIM company. Get top-notch building information modeling (BIM) services in Ranchi and beyond. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers 3D modeling, clash detection, and quantity takeoffs.